Bakit mga bata?
Thank ko na si Vice Chief. Oh, sure. Okay. Second na lang.
Morning, Mayor.
Good morning.
For today, ilan po students ang nakita po nitong vaccine? Saan po yung mga vaccines sa grade levels po?
Well, yung nangyari today is the symbolic opening of the campaign for vaccination sa ating mga mag-aaral sa pampublikong paaralan dito sa lungsod ng Maynila, elementarya at high school. And this is the start, and this is the day that we're going to vaccinate 53,000 more or less clients or mga batang Maynila sa lungsod, no? At lalo na yung sa mga kababaihan, yung mga estudyanteng babae, yung HPV, no? Importante yung HPV dahil talagang isa yan sa mga sitwasyon na paglaki ng ating mga kababaihan, malaking porsyento kakasakit dyan. At then again, we're very happy despite of lacking of resources, we're still happy with partnership and the help of the DOH family with this journey of protecting the kids or mga batang Maynila.
Mayor, ano po bang inaasahang epekto ng programang to sa mga Manila?
It's more on really protection and prevention of possible mga sakit batang pwede lang nakuha. So it's like the way it was during our first term. Kung naalala nyo yung sa HEPA vaccine natin, so on and so forth. And we're very glad to share to the people of Manila na at the rate we are going in the past, we always achieve our goal and the national goal ng DOH. So we are hoping that in the coming days, parents and children will participate in the program. Kasi tingnan ninyo, in line with this protection sa ating mga batang Manila, today, if I may say, we are almost in a critical situation with regard to the leptospirosis infection. This is our second week of dry days. After the typhoon Krising, I would like to inform the public that we are 140 cases in the city. 4 deaths. Nalulungkot tayo. May sumakabilang buhay dahil sa infeksyon ng leptospirosis. But why am I saying that kailangan mag-ingat ang taong bayan? Because of the flooding, 140 cases, that is 0.73% attack rate. So that is above the average of 0.5. So that's why nananawagan ako sa ating mga kababayan sa mga barangay. While we're having a flood control project problem in our own little way to 896 barangays, we must continue and pursue declogging our drainage system. Kahit man lang sa mga kanal natin, mabawasan natin ang espasyo o bara sa ating mga imbornal. Second, yung mga stagnant water, kung pwede sa ating mga barangay, ay tulungan na natin alisin ito. Baka ito naman ang susunod na maging problema natin o yung dengue problem. But for now, we are after to protect our children. In the same manner, we are facing another challenges, yung after effect ng flooding. So I've been saying, I think you were there during my interview, that it's very important for the government, whether national or local, to address the flooding problems of the country, in our case, the city, And simply because it will cause more damage to property and life. Ngayon natin mararamdaman. And in fact, kanina nag-uusap kami ni Director Dr. Padilla ng Manila Health Department. Baka tumaas pa. Kasi ngayon pa lang talaga mararamdaman. Ang tawag nila doon po yung paghihinog ng infection. So, yun lang. Let me use this opportunity na manawagan sa ating mga kababayan na mag-ingat. Hanggang maaari, katulad ngayon, medyo tuyo naman, walang baha, pero pag may baha, sa mga areas, mag-iingat kayo. Huwag kayo masyadong magpa-expose sa baha dahil it's really dangerous. The procedure to attend to leptospirosis infected patient is terrible. Mahirap na sakit ito.
Mayor, may sapat po ba tayong mga bakuna para matugunan itong campaign na to para proteksyonan yung mga bata?
Yes, once we launch something, there is enough for everyone, even in the past. Kaya masinop na inaano yan, binabantayan, ini-implement ng Manila Health Department at ng DOH.
Mayor, may itutulong po ba yung Manila LGU regarding po dun sa situation ngayon po sa PGH na overcapacity? Paano po yung mga ibang Manileño na hindi na po ma-accommodate ng hospital?
Ay, kami naman, willing tumulong. Ang hospital, I always believe that bawat buhay mahalaga. Bawat buhay may halaga. At bagay lamang bigyan ng sapat na atensyon yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong, lalo na patungkol sa ospital. As far as we're concerned, we're very happy that we have enough hospitals owned and run by the local government. But then again, bilang Pilipino, as Filipino, at kapwa Pilipino, and especially PGH, Jose Reyes, San Lazaro, Philippine Heart Center, Tondo Medical, and all other National Kidney, National Lung Center, and all other national government hospital is the partner of the city government hospital. Nagpapanagpuan din naman kami sa intersection. Isa nagpapalitan din kami ng pasyente. Mano pa, yung mga pasyente namin na nangangailangan ng espesyal na atensyon doon sa kanilang sakit. So we will do the same and be nice to our neighbors in this case with regard to your question. We'll be happy to be open. Tulong-tulong lang. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Good morning,
Don
boss.
Bosco. Don Bosco tayo. Don Bosco.